how to troubleshoot a Docker overlay network. First, you start by logging into the node that you want to inspect the network on. Then we can do a Docker network ls, and we can use that to get the name of the overlay network, to get the network ID of the overlay network. Then we do a Docker network inspect, and we paste the network, and then it'll output some JSON. This JSON gives you information about the overlay network. For instance, the overlay network is 10.0.20 and the gateway is 10.0.2.1. What that means is if we enter our service, we should then be able to ping whatever containers we have running inside of that service. So let's test that. Let's start with a Docker service ls, and then we want to get the container or service ID of net test. Then we do a Docker service ps and confirm it's running, and that gives us one of these containers. So now that we have confirmation that the container is running on node 2, let's hop on over to node 2, or we can do another Docker container ps, and we get the container ID for net test that is running on this node. We'll copy container ID, and then we can do a Docker exec -it. We paste our container ID, and then we enter the bash shell. Once in the shell of our container, we want to do an apt get update -y and an apt get install IP utils ping -y, so we can ping stuff inside of this container. So I know that the overlay network is in the 10.0.2 address space. So my destination address should be 10.0.2.165 for the remote host or the other Ubuntu container that's running. I could do a ping 10.0.2.165. And look at that, we're able to successfully ping the remote container. So basically what's happening right now is traffic flowing from this node to this node over this 10.0.2.0/24 network. If you enjoy this type of content, please hit the like button. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe either here on TikTok or down below my YouTube channel. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Stay blessed, boys.